sidlala emakhadi ubusuku bonke. Adlala.
Hayibo.
Adlala.
Mani, nidlala emakhadi ngebusuku bonke.
Yes, ubusuku bonke.
Emakhadi nje.
God.
I thought maybe they were playing cards. They're really playing cards.
No, they were having sex. Hey. I don't know how you can miss it. They were having sex.
Oh, it's a manner that they put it here.
Yes, 4 rounds, 2 rounds, 4 rounds. We didn't even understand.
Babanga.
Hayibo.
Hey, asasitholile le vayiphilile. Yeah.
Kufika bhuti wakho la singakaphumi siyofuna coffee, kufika bhuti wakho la siyamshiya la file asekho nalo sesibuye.
Yabona wena officer Apollo ibuhlungu lento lesiyenziwa titsansa. Uyabona nje uyabonakala nje ukuthi bulele endleleni. Oh. Hey, Mr. Aknak, I was warming up the chairs for you because you are very higher position. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stand up and do your thing.
Okay.
Wait for me to sit.
Oh, yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Aknak Pruuuu.
Mr. Aknak Pruuuu.
Okay, have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So I found out that you where's the case file? Because I found out that somebody told me that you lost the case file, Batman case file.
So we are having a problem here. We no longer see the files. It was here. I'm wondering who decided to take it.
Honestly, I was not.
Who else can come into this office beside you because you are the only
What is this? Are you drunk?
No, sir.
Not for the first time. That time, you remember last Friday while we were absent? He decided to go and get his down. No. Our seniors should know how our behavior.
Shut the I'm asking you what happened to the case file, and I don't know what's happening. Are you drunk or something? What happened to the case file?
No, it's disappeared mysteriously. I don't know what happened here.
What do you think?
Vanished. I no longer see it here. But
what exactly do you think happened with the file?
I'm also thinking, Mr. Aknak. I'm also thinking because
I looked at security cameras and I saw that there was somebody here who came. From what I heard, he came to take a statement, right?
Exactly. No, that's not my brother. That one.
But it's black like you.
Can you shut up?
Oh, all the.
I'm speaking the truth.
You know what?
Now,
yes.
Listen. You did not take this man seriously. What I saw, you're busy making fun of him, and then you walked away. I saw he was meddling in my desk.
He looked like a Batman. What? Yes, he was coming from here. Yes, just jump up here. We didn't realize where he was coming from.
Now he came to my desk. I saw he took the file. He took something. I don't know if it's the file that you guys are working on, the Batman case.
I know his place. I know the rented flat for him.
Told you there's brother this one.
I know about this.
I told you, Detective Aknak.
Okay, I don't want to hear anything.
Take your gun.
If you say you know where he stays, then let's go find him because I don't want to argue with guys. You are drunk.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to talk to you. So if you say you know,
last time you are here.
You know where he stays, let's go there.
Yes, let's go straight. I'm not. What is jokes? Not jokes. Where's your gun? Let's go and gun that Batman down today to make some points so that Mr. Aknak could see that we are not for jokes.
Huh? What did he do? Huh?
Yey! Wanyakati uDozi, uyapha Nkosi. Wasanyakati, wanyakati usaphakile. Kodwa kanjani apha ngimuphi kanti umphilo wesifazane khona lana. Nentanga, kanti nimbone
Are they not playing cards?
Nimbone phela kudlala amakhadi baba.
Detective, arrest him.
Yes. Phelile isikhathi sekudlala la.
For what?
This is the one. Wait.
Uyapha, unelungelo uyapha lekubinza ngoba la ukhuluma la. Unotakhuluma
I'm
akusebenzisa la.
worrying. I'm worrying.
Mfasa boza nkosi njaya. Kabathi siyadlala wena Nkosi. Cabanga ukuthi thina semkhuthelelane la. Uyaphi? Mhlohla Nkosi.
Sakhuluma.
What are you saying? You must read the Miss Miranda rights, man. Wait, let me read the Miss Miranda rights. Wait.
There's
The right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you.
Why?
We are playing cards.
Why?